Hello everyone, this question is y power x equal to 4 and y square is equal to 2 to the power x. I find out what is the value of x and y. So first equation is y power x equal to 4 and second equation is y square is equal to 2 to the power x. So first equation is y to the power x equal to 4 and I can say y to the power x equal to 4. I use both side whole square. This time I can say, according to exponential rules, we know that a to the power n power m equal to a to the power m power n. I follow this formula in this line. This time I can say easily y square power is x equal to 16, and now we know that y square equal to 2 to the power x. Here is second equation. Now I put on this value in this line. So 2 to the power x power is x equal to 16. Now here is x times x equal to x square. So 2 to the power x square equal to, we know that 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16. So 2 to the power 4. According to exponential rules, we know that a to the power n equal to a to the power m. Here is base same. This time I can say n equal to m. So here is base 2. This time I can say x square equal to 4. Now x equal to plus minus square root 4 and x equal to plus minus 2. Now I find out y value. We know that y square equal to 2 to the power x. So I can say number 2 equation, y square equal to 2 to the power x, and we know that x equal to plus minus 2, x equal to plus minus 2, x equal to 2. When x equal to 2, this time I can say this equation is y square equal to 2 to the power x. We know that y square equal to 2 to the power x, so x equal to 2. Now I can say y square equal to 4 and y equal to plus minus square root 4 and y equal to plus minus 2. So now I can see easily when x equal to 2, this time y equal to plus minus 2. Again, when x equal to minus 2, this time y square equal to 2 to the power x. So y square equal to 2 to the power, we know that x equal to minus 2. This time I can say y square equal to 1 over 4. We know that 2 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 over 2 square. According to exponential rules, we know that a to the power minus n equal to 1 over a to the power n. I follow this formula in this line. So I can say y equal to plus minus half. I use square root both sides. So when x equal to minus 2, this time I can say easily y equal to plus minus 2. Now I can say easily answer is when x equal to 2, this time y equal to plus minus 2, and when x equal to minus 2, this time y equal to plus minus 2.